What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Before we begin, I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers and new viewers of the channel. We've been somewhat growing steadily, so thank you all. But yeah, without further ado, today we're going to be working on the E46 M3. There's one thing that we actually didn't change on the car, which was the Vanos unit, which we should have done when we were assembling the engine, but we didn't, and it had brought up a check engine light because of it. So we're going to go ahead and switch out the entire Vanos unit. I'll go ahead and show you guys right now what the new one looks like. So here is the new Vanos unit from Dr. Vanos. It actually comes with a brand new OEM solenoid. Comes with all the gaskets that you need. Also comes with these O-rings. I don't know where exactly those go. I believe it's a regulator or something like that goes in here. I think that's what these O-rings are for. We'll go ahead and cut these zip ties off. Here's the new Vanos gasket right here. Set that aside. We don't need that right now. Alright, there we go. It comes with a new Vanos oil pump, and it's also re-drilled so it could be smaller, so you could have less rattle. So these are the OEM holes right here, and these are the new re-drilled holes right here, which are a tiny bit smaller. You guys can't probably tell on camera, but it'll help with like Vanos rattle. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like. Literally like a brand new unit. The most important part is that oil pump that I just showed you guys, and this solenoid that's right here. So yeah, this is what we're going to be installing today on the beautiful E46. So there's a lot of stuff that has to come off, but before then, I'm gonna go ahead and unhook the battery and then start disassembling this engine base so I can get the valve cover off. All right, just need a little 10 mil to unhook this battery. We'll go ahead and unhook both of them just in case, even though it's not needed. There's that. You just have to make sure not to close this trunk. I usually just unlatch those back seats just in case you need to get into the trunk. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start removing these cowl pieces and the strut brace so I can start taking apart this valve cover. Alright guys, I got all the cowling off and all the wires and stuff that are necessary to get the valve cover off. So this valve cover is completely off. Now I can work on getting this fan out of here and this fan shroud so I can reach down there and turn the crankshaft by hand when I need to. Alright guys, I just got the fan assembly off with the belt and the solenoid as well. Now we can start pulling this Vanos off of here.
Hey, why do you have ducks?
I don't know. I bought 20 eggs, duck eggs, and an incubator off Amazon. I'll be slinging ducks.
You're gonna be slinging ducks?
Yeah, my head goes in.
Hey, let's put your ducks with my rabbits.
Greg,
if you're the first person they see, and 20
they
ducks,
follow me already.
that's what I'm saying.
Imagine Greg crossing the road and there's like 20 ducklings behind him.
They already follow me. Like I go around the house and they just follow me around. Well, because I'm gonna eat them now.
Let's have duck soup.
Yeah.
Duck soup is pretty good.
Yeah.
Any soup for you is pretty good, huh?
What was that called?
Alright guys.
Turducken.
What's that?
It's a turducken. It's a turkey with the duck inside.
And
And then a chicken inside the duck. Yep.
Turducken.
Turducken. Isn't that from Friends?
I think so.
Yeah.
What kind of kinky shit do you watch, huh?
Alright guys, we got the engine set. We got the engine set to top that center. We got the Vanos off, the old Vanos. Now we're gonna go ahead Oh, and we also set the timing. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw this new Vanos back onto the car. Alright guys, we just got the new Vanos in and timed up. All the timing looks really good. So now we're gonna go ahead and throw this brand new Vanos solenoid in there. Alright guys, I got everything back on. I'm not gonna throw the cowl and stuff back on yet. We're just gonna go ahead. Sheesh! We're gonna go ahead and start it and see how it sounds. Go start it.
Hey, huh?
Go start it, you dumb f.
I'm good.
Alright then. We're gonna let the car warm up and then go out for a drive.
Alright guys, excuse me. I don't know if you can see anything, but
we're giving it the Maiden voyage.
So I just replaced the Vanos unit and the Vanos solenoid. We're going for a quick spin to see if
Let's hope there's no codes or anything like that that pop up.
It's pulling a lot better.
So usually it comes back quickly, like right when you punch it past 4,000 RPM. But so far we're good. Knock on wood. There's got to be wood around.
There's no wood in here. Oh, you want wood? Hey, can you keep it down, bro?
Shut the f up!
The CTSV right here wants to race you. Full bolt on.
You got f***ing tire load?
900 horsepower CTSV. Oh, he's actually pulling on you.
This shit
Yeah, it pulls.
We just pulled on a f***ing Cadillac!
He tried racing you, did you hear him?
Yeah.
Homeboy got walked.
Brand new Cadillac just got walked by a f***ing 2005 BMW. It's just not even fast. Imagine he was a cop. That was hilarious.
It was a sting operation.
I hope his girl's not next to him.
All good, bro.
What do you say? That's fast?
He said, I don't know what happened. This shit's got balls.
Should we see if it does a burnout?
Nah, I think we've done enough sending. Sickest guy.
Timing's right. Vanos is good. We're good, baby! Alright guys, as you guys just saw, the car runs perfectly now. We got no check engine codes, nothing like that. We had like an O2 sensor code that popped up at the end, but it was just like a wiring issue, which we fixed and it's completely gone now. So yeah, I'll give you guys a better look and like drive on the car tomorrow because I'm gonna take it out for a drive tomorrow so we can get it ready for Smog. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, it's the next day. I'm in the E46 right now. Armand's actually behind me in my car. We're gonna head to the gas station, get some gas, and then head out driving so we can get this thing ready for Smog. I got the scanner right here to read when the monitors are ready, and I'll probably have Armand get some driving clips for you guys from the outside. Alright guys, well Armand forgot to get some rolling shots as we were coming up here, but we're in like this little city kind of in the mountains right now. We stopped by this little Mexican restaurant right here. Armand went inside to get some burritos, but so far we got all these monitors ready. The only ones left are the ones that are blinking right there. So that's all that's left for us to get ready. It's probably gonna be a while for us to get those monitors ready, so we just need to keep driving the damn car. In other news, the cars are looking really good. We're in some random shopping center right now in the middle of nowhere. This thing looks so clean. I think the back is my favorite part. What do you guys think? We're chowing down on some burritos. Shout out to Arman with a nice little view. And then we're gonna head back into town. That shit sounds good. Sheesh! At least you can fit in that one. Surprisingly, this E46 is really quick. It can't keep up with that car, obviously, but still, this thing is quick. Guys, that pull Arman just did, there ended up being a cop at the end of the road. It's like a 50 mile per hour zone and we were both going like 70 or 80 miles per hour. He didn't even pull us over. Yikes, we got lucky. There was a motorcycle cop holding the radar on us. He's still not behind us, so I guess we're good. Alright guys, we just made it back home. That's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Always make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.